Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This space is all about evolving technologies and software development. Whether you are a coding newbie, a tech enthusiast, or a developer looking to level up,
we want to get our best models into your hands and our products ASAP. I'm particularly excited about the rapid model progress. And today, Gemini 2.5 Pro sweeps the LM Arena leaderboard in all categories. It's getting a lot of love across the top coding platforms thanks to all of you.
we will dive into tools, tutorials, trends, and real-life tech insights that matter. From breaking down complex concepts to exploring how tech is shaping the future. Trust me, we got you covered. So, if you are passionate about how things work behind the scene, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's build, learn, and grow together.